I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Creality K1 Max Not Extruding. The people spread their opinion and solution regarding this on Reddit. When people says that I was having the same issue, I found the issue was on the top of the extruder. There is a silver light switch like switch. When you are feeding filament into the PTFE tubing, you need to make sure that this is in the unlock position. There is a picture on it. Here you will see. This is the picture. And here you will see this is the unlock symbol as you can see. Then feed the filament all the way in, and if needed remove the PTFE tubing from the extruder and push it down until it does not move anymore. Then move the switch to the lock position. Then reconnect the tubing if needed. My printer still had some white filament in the extruder from the factory. I heated up the extruder and saw the filament start coming out. It would be nice if this was in the manual, but I guess that why they want you to view a video on their website. Hope this helps someone. So this is the solution regarding this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.